Hi guys, welcome to this system. It's the ArcoLinux XL. It's created with this ISO, and it's the system where I've installed all the applications that Calamaris has to offer. We've used our decision choice WHAT IFS with our own mount points, and we're using Snapper to go back and forth if we want to a certain moment in time where everything still worked. And we have now 465 snapshots, and it started in February 20, and we're now a few days later. So it's all possible, it's all available. Choose. Topic of the video is Carli. Carli is about knowledge, how to create if you go to the home, how to create a customized ArcoLinux ISO. Carli, a customized ArcoLinux ISO. And over time, maybe 2 or 3 years already, we started long time ago. I don't know if you see, here it is, October 6, 2019, we started with these tutorials. And it's going on and on and on, and these GitHubs stay there as a reference point, but the only one you can build is the Carli 11. But it's the workflow, the reasoning, the why that we did things that is important, the goals and everything. Why did we bother to create Carli? Because you want an ISO and to know from scratch, from A till Z, what's going on with your operating system. That's not ArcoLinux B, that's just quickly change some things. This is really knowing it all, right? And the video we're gonna make is going to replace this one, how to get the Carli key in to build the ISOs. Mid-July 2021, what did we see? We saw that the key servers were not responding anymore, gave crashes and didn't work and all that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna skip the repositories, the key server, and we're going to get the key from the Carli repo, as simple as that. So that's the only difference that we've made, and it says here as well, no use of key servers anymore, import Carli key, and in the same time the mirror, no use of key servers anymore. That's the only change I've made, and we're gonna get the code in and build it and see how it looks, how it feels. Okay, so go to the desktop, right mouse click, open a terminal, git clone me that one. That's cool. Second attempt to make the video. All right, so we got ourselves a Carli 11. We've got ourselves an import Carli key mirror. Do read this one. It says or manual or automatically. I'm always going for automatically. And the other one is the Arch ISO readme. See that the reference point, that's the reference of the ArcoLinux guys. If you download an ISO from arcolinux.org, it's created with Arch ISO. Normally, near the end of the month, we get a release of Arch ISO, and then the Arch ISO itself comes later online on the 1st of the month. Okay, so read whatever we provide you as information already, but we want to go for this. I've put, for ease and comfort, if you do want to know how to get keys in, this works, right? Our key can be, we can download it and sign it if you use the Ubuntu server. Yes, I know, the Ubuntu server. It doesn't say the ArcoLinux server, the Ubuntu server. Okay, in that particular folder, that file, change that to this one. All the others are interesting. This one I know works as well, because I've put my key there, right? But the others, okay. So that's key things. Arch and keys, right? ArcoLinux keyring, remember? It's always the same thing. I wanna import key. So now I'm gonna make myself a little bit easier without all the settings in key servers and knowing all about that. I'm just gonna say I'm gonna skip that step. I'm just gonna install import from the repo, our keys, our mirror list. Enter. And that's that. Voila. So what happens? Well, the key is now, Pacman knows my key, right? The Carli key. And it also has a mirror list. Where's the mirror list? Pacman needs to know where are my packages. It's gonna do that in the etcpacman.conf. True? True. But in the pacman.d, come on, there is now a Carli mirror list. I have already a few of them now. Make as much backups as you want, right? If you want to compare for later, try and experiment. Great, good, right? Learn. Open a folder as root, make a copy. But this is the one, and it's pointing to, yes, of course, GitLab, or here, ArcoLinux ISO GitHub. So the first one, second one. He's always going to use the first one until he does not find the package, and then it's going to take the second one. So, am I ready? Yes. Can you do more? Sure, you can do more, but I'm not going to show you that in this video. This is pure about the keys and the mirror. But here it is. By default, this works, and all the rest is gibberish. This is not used. That's used, and that's it. But if you want to have cinnamon instead of XFCE, all you need to do is learn and compare and be amazed how easy it is. XFCE is 2 lines, 2 words, and cinnamon, well, actually just one, but who doesn't want to unzip things from the Nemo right mouse click, and who can't? If we want to have the right mouse click open in terminal, you need to have the GNOME terminal. Things like that. And here we decide to have Pipewire, Blueberry, and some design and choices, right? What pieces of the Lego blocks do you want that ArcoLinux Carli provides? So it's about choices all the time. Did you make your choices? You want code in there, Atom in there, Vivaldi in there, Genie in there. Add them to the list. If that's done, installation scripts number 40. There we go. There is a well, the thing is, the difference between these two guys is that one of them, number 40, is going to reuse the var cache. Is going to reuse the var cache Pacman packages. Yeah, I've just made a tutorial about something strange here, but this is the var cache Pacman packages, right? It will reuse those folders, files better, and build it. But there might be key issues, and maybe that will be the case, and that's fine. All you need to do is arrow up and run it again. Because Sublime Text is the one package that exists in both of these repos, our repo and the Carli repo, and the signing is different. The signing with the ArcoLinux key and the signing with the Carli key, 2 keys clash on the same package. But well, I don't know if we'll see it. If it does, remember, arrow up, enter, and then Sublime Text comes from Carli repo, and also the signature. No clash in key. So remember, if you see something about a key, wrong key, Eric Dubois, Carli key, whatever, a message like that, read often, arrow up, start 40 again, and be done with it. Voila. I can conclude the video. Stop the video here. There's no need to record everything till the very end. The point is, we've got rid of the key servers. If you want to learn, it's still in there, the code is still in there. Get the Carli key. So that's how it's done, that's how it's signed, but the key servers have to work, and it's hard for beginners to learn about keys. I found it the most daunting thing ever, figuring out signing keys and all that. So voila, simply get the package and install the package. That's all we do in this script, and off you go. You have your own Carli built. All right, and it's building. Cheers.